In today's digital era, artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming the way we live, work, and create. But did you know that AI can also be a powerful tool for making money online? In this video, we'll explore 10 innovative ways to utilize AI to generate passive income and achieve financial success in the digital world. So let's get started. 1. Create and sell AI-generated artwork. AI art is exploding on the scene, opening up new opportunities and marketplaces in the art industry. Artists traditionally spend hours, days, or even weeks creating a single piece of art. They need to come up with a concept, create the artwork, and then find a way to sell it. Today, there are AI design tools that make it easy for anyone to make AI art. AI art generators can create unique pieces of art in minutes. The best tools let you iterate on an image until it reaches perfection. It might seem like a hack, but creating graphics people want to buy with AI is no easy task. Prompt engineering is a real challenge in a saturated art market. But if you hone your skill and find a niche, you can sell AI-generated art in no time. Pro tip: pair AI art with a print-on-demand service to sell on your own online store website, or use an e-commerce platform like Etsy. It's a better way to go than selling DoJPGs and might increase your profit margins. Here is a list of some AI-generated artwork tools: Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, Leonardo AI, and Ideogram. 2. Professionally edit photos. Professional photo editing is a meticulous process that requires a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of various editing tools and techniques. It involves enhancing colors, adjusting lighting, removing unwanted elements, and more. This process can take hours, depending on the complexity of the image and the level of detail required. AI photo enhancers like Topaz Photo AI, Photoshop Generative Fill, or Luminar can significantly speed up this process. They can automatically enhance colors, adjust lighting, and even remove unwanted elements. There are even AI image upscalers to add high resolution to pixelated photos. This means you can edit more photos in less time without compromising quality. Bulk editing is possible too, so you can apply a particular style, with AI, to hundreds of images. This is a profitable opportunity because there's a growing demand for professional photo editing services, from businesses needing product photos to individuals wanting to enhance their personal professional image. If you're a photographer or a graphic designer, you can leverage AI photo enhancers to increase your productivity and take on more clients. If not, it's not too late to get started. Also, if you enjoy content like this and want to leverage AI to increase your productivity and income, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And now, back to the video. 3. Social media video editing. Creating engaging social media videos is a key strategy for many businesses and influencers alike. However, video editing can be a little much to handle for many people, and since it involves both software and skill, things like trimming footage, adding effects and transitions, and syncing audio are too much for many people. Even before AI, video editing was commonly outsourced to professionals with the means to get the job done well. AI video editing tools can automate much of this process. They can analyze your footage, select the best parts, and add effects and transitions. This allows you to create high-quality social media videos in a fraction of the time. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. We recommend trying out FlexClip, Flicky, and InVideo and seeing how it leverages AI to make videos and video editing steps super easy. 4. AI-powered affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing, the practice of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products, has been a reliable way to make money online for years. However, the landscape is competitive and standing out can be challenging. That's where AI comes into play, transforming the affiliate marketing game. They can help you find good products to promote, help with video creation or email marketing, and automate internal linking. Leveraging AI for affiliate marketing requires only an affiliate website and an AI writer, though many of the AI marketing tools that would help any business would help yours. Affiliate marketing has always been a lucrative opportunity. Now AI is helping thousands of people find more success. 5. AI chatbots. Customer service is a critical aspect of any business. However, managing customer inquiries can be time-consuming and requires significant resources. This is where AI chatbots come in. AI website chatbots can handle customer inquiries 24/7, providing instant responses and freeing time for your team to focus on more complex tasks. They can answer common questions, guide users through processes, and even assist with sales and bookings. This is a profitable opportunity because businesses always seek ways to improve customer service and increase efficiency. If you're a new developer or don't mind learning conversational AI technology, you can offer AI chatbot configuration. You can set up website integration and gather together a knowledge base and any internal documents to train a chatbot for businesses. Then deploy it to the satisfaction of your client. 6. AI for web design. A website has long been known to be required for any self-respecting business. That means businesses need to build and maintain websites if they want to succeed. A well-designed website can attract more visitors, keep them on the site longer, and convert them into customers. Even if traditional web design turns you off, there is plenty of room, and growing, to get comfortable with AI web design. AI creates stunning designs, writes landing page copy, and generally takes some of the edge off of building a site from scratch. There are a lot of AI WordPress plugins and AI website builders that make site building and management easy. We'd recommend trying out Divi AI, Farmer AI, and Durable, which brings impressive AI capabilities to WordPress's most powerful visual editor. 7. AI digital marketing. Digital marketing involves a wide range of skills. It's a more complex process to master because it requires a deep understanding of different platforms, channels, and strategies, and how they all fit together. AI marketing tools can automate many marketing tasks. Maybe a little more important is that they can help you create marketing campaigns, analyze your results, and optimize, iterate your strategies based on predictive analytics. This is a profitable opportunity because businesses are looking for ways to reach their target audience and increase their sales. Small business owners often realize their need for help, but don't have the time to learn new skills or technologies. If you're a digital marketer, you can leverage AI tools today to deliver better results for your clients in less time. 8. Create music and background tracks. Creating music or background tracks for videos, games, or other media is a creative process for which few have the chops. AI music generators like Aeva or Moober can assist in this process, creating unique tracks in seconds. These AI tools can generate music in various styles and moods, allowing you to create the perfect track for any project. They can also help you experiment with different musical ideas, speeding up the composition process. AI democratizes music and music production, putting you at the center of it by being able to prompt engineer your way to a successful service-based business in music. You can leverage freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelance.com to sell your services to audiences beyond what you hoped for. 9. AI-based stock trading. AI-based stock trading capitalizes on artificial intelligence algorithms to analyze market trends, optimize investment strategies, and execute trades autonomously. This approach enables individuals to potentially earn money by leveraging AI-powered tools and platforms designed for stock market analysis and trading. Robo-advisors and algorithmic trading platforms, such as Wealthfront, Betterment, and Robinhood, employ AI algorithms to process vast amounts of financial data in real time. These algorithms can identify patterns, predict market movements, and execute trades swiftly based on predefined parameters or user preferences. While AI-based stock trading presents opportunities to generate income, it's essential to approach it with caution, understanding the risks involved in financial markets. Learning about AI-driven trading tools and strategies, coupled with prudent risk management, can empower individuals to explore this avenue for generating passive income through intelligent investment decisions. 10. Website SEO services. Search engine optimization. SEO is a complex task that involves optimizing a website to rank higher on search engines. It requires a deep understanding of search engine algorithms, keyword research, and content optimization. This process can be time-consuming, especially for large websites. AI SEO tools like SEMrush, Surfer SEO, or Alice SEO can help this process. They can conduct keyword research, optimize content, and track performance in a fraction of the time it would take a human. They can also help with more complex tasks like link building and technical SEO. This is a profitable opportunity because there's a high demand for SEO services. SEO specialists can use AI tools to increase productivity and attract more clients. They can also offer AI SEO services to clients. Also, it goes without saying that SEO for your own website, if you have one, can help generate more traffic and revenue. If you have a WordPress site, these SEO plugins will help. And there you have it. 10 compelling ways to harness the power of AI and generate income online. The possibilities for making money online with AI are vast and ever expanding. As AI technology continues to evolve, new opportunities will emerge, allowing individuals to harness the power of AI to generate passive income and achieve financial success. Which of these avenues resonates with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep earning with AI. See you soon!